Hey Matthew, so this is your Facebook page. Looks pretty good. I got your website up here. I was able to follow that to your website. And looking at your website, it looks like you got a good amount of content on here, which is definitely a good thing. Looks like you got 1,182 words, from what I could tell. That's good. You could always add more. The more content, the better, but that's not bad. Um, and that's another thing. Let's see what you save your images as. That's saved as Matt, as you, um, which is fine, but I would save it um, as a keyword that you want to rank for, like this: flooring contractors and services in Peachtree City. If you want to rank for that when people search that in Google, it doesn't matter. To have images of you guys saved as yourselves. I would save it as a keyword just to give you an extra keyword for Google searches. Going to Google, is that the map pack there? But let's go back to Google, search, and I am messing up. So I googled hardwood floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia. Coming down here, your number one competitor there, going to his website. He also has a fair amount of content on his page. He has 1,028 words. So I'd bump up the content on your page. I'd probably go to probably 1,500 or 2,000 with your words. See what this guy has his images saved as. He's got a bunch of junk in front, but he does have the end of it saved as a keyword, it looks like. So he's doing that as well. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Go in here, plugging you guys in. You notice you only have 9 backlinks, 4 referring domains. Your numbers here are pretty good, but we definitely want to get you more backlink links. You definitely want to get more referring domains. Go into your competitor. You'll see he has over 1,000 and 135 referring domains. His DR is not as good, but he's got so many more backlinks. His UR is so much better. Which is trust. This is more like popularity. Or I might have it backwards. I can't remember at the moment. But you can go in here to his backlinks, and you can copy the ones that he has. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you don't want to go get spammy backlinks. You don't want to get ones with low numbers. You want to go after the good number, the high numbers, as well as pay attention if it's do follow or no follow. No follow basically just doesn't give you the trust that a do follow link would. You'll notice that you have 37 keywords. You can see what they are going in here. You get a little traffic, flooring Peachtree City, Georgia. You rank number 7 there, so you ranked on the first page there. And you get about a little over 1 a month. There's about 30 volume for that, so the KD 7, which isn't terrible. It's really easy to rank for these lower ones. 7s, it's going to take a little bit, but it's not too long to rank for that. But let's go into your competitors and see what he is ranking for. So his top one is Harvard Flooring, Marietta, Georgia, high KD. He gets a lot of traffic from there though. But this high KD, 22, it's not terrible. You can get it. It's just going to take longer. It's going to cost more to get there, to get the backlinks you need to get that. But it's not terrible. Coming down here, hardwood floor. Now here, so notice the difference. Hardwood flooring, Marietta, Georgia versus hardwood floor installation, Marietta, Georgia. 250, 0 KD. No one's advertising for it. Super simple to advertise for, but even simpler get ranked there. I mean, this guy's getting 31 traffic. He's just ranked number 3 on the page. He's already getting 31 people. It's 250 people a month, 300 people a month for refinishing. He's getting 24 from that. He's ranked number 5 for that. So go after these two. I think you said restoration on your website or on your Facebook page. I remember seeing that. So I imagine you do refinishing as well. So absolutely target these ones, as well as I'm sure there's a whole bunch of others down here, but those two are really good. That's insane. The volume you get there, the KD 0 and 1, super easy to rank for. And I mean, this guy's not even number 1, and he's still getting quite a bit of traffic. I mean, 51 people a month. I mean, that's crazy. But I'm sure there's a whole bunch more down here that you can find as well. Like wood floor refinishing, Marietta, Georgia, 100, 0 KD. Another super simple one. That's another 100 people. Obviously, you won't get all of them, but number 4 is getting 9 people. Number 1, you can only imagine is going to be 15, 20, if not 30 people, just from that. So I mean, that's a month. So a lot of good stuff to go. A lot of good keywords to put into your website and to rank for. Next thing is Google Map Pack. So taking the top guy there. He's got 50 citations, so he's got quite a few citations actually. But you can easily get 100. You can get 200. I'd go for at least 100, probably 150 at least. It just takes time. It doesn't. It doesn't have to cost money. Some of them cost money, but you can do the free ones. You can take all the ones that he has, and you can go to Google. You can Google all kinds of other citations that you can get. It just takes time. Then you can rank for the map pack. A lot of people go to the map pack and just use the map pack to find what they're looking for. But yeah, you're welcome to take those tips. I'll definitely go after those keywords, especially those low KD ones. You can do it yourself if you want. You're welcome to do whatever you want with this video. Otherwise, we can set up a Zoom call. Let me know what you want. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day. Thanks.